him like that young man right there. What's your name, man? You look like it. What's your name? Sam. Good job. To the sophomores as well. Seniors, what happened, man? What happened? What happened? I bet you had big enough mouth. All right, you guys. Tomorrow. Tug of war. Hold on, let's listen to some music.